In the Bay of Bengal, veiled in mist and mystery, lies North Sentinel Island, a place where time stands still, untouched by the relentless march of modernity. The island, a mere speck in the vast ocean, holds a secret, a tribe untouched by the outside world. The Sentinelese, for centuries, have thrived in isolation, their existence a testament to the enduring spirit of mankind. Their world, a tapestry woven with ancient rituals and traditions, remains an enigma. Their language, unheard by outsiders, whispers tales of generations past. Their connection to the land is primal, their existence intertwined with the rhythms of nature. They are a living link to our shared past, a reminder of a time when humanity lived in harmony with the natural world. The Sentinelese are the guardians of their domain, fiercely protective of their isolation. Their weapons, though seemingly primitive, are deadly effective, a testament to their deep understanding of their environment. Their encounters with the outside world have been few and far between, marked by hostility and a clear desire to be left undisturbed. Theirs is a world where the modern world, with all its complexities, simply does not exist. The allure of North Sentinel Island lies in its very isolation, in the mysteries that shroud its shores. It is a stark reminder that there are still places on Earth where the human story remains unwritten, where the echoes of the past whisper in the wind. It is a place that ignites the imagination, that beckons us to explore the unknown, to understand the depths of our own human experience.
The Sentinelese, believed to be direct descendants of some of the earliest human migrants out of Africa, have called North Sentinel Island home for an estimated 60,000 years. Their isolation has allowed them to develop a unique culture, untouched by external influences. Their knowledge of the island's resources, its flora and fauna, is unparalleled. They are masters of their environment, living in complete harmony with the natural world. Their hunting and gathering techniques have been honed over millennia, ensuring their survival in this isolated paradise. Theirs is a sustainable existence, a testament to the power of traditional ecological knowledge. Their diet, consisting of fish, fruits and tubers, speaks to their intimate understanding of the island's bounty. Their social structure, though largely unknown, is believed to be based on kinship and communal living. Their language, a complex tapestry of sounds, has never been deciphered. Attempts at communication have been met with hostility, a clear indication of their desire to remain isolated. The Sentinelese are a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, their survival a beacon of hope in an increasingly interconnected world. Their story is a reminder that progress does not necessitate assimilation, that the preservation of cultural diversity is essential to the richness and resilience of our shared human experience. The Sentinelese, in their isolation, offer a glimpse into a world untouched by globalization, a world where ancient traditions still hold sway.
North Sentinel Island, a mere 23 square miles of land, is a biogeographic anomaly. Ringed by coral reefs, the island is a haven for marine life. Its dense tropical forests, largely unexplored, are home to a unique array of flora and fauna. The island's isolation has resulted in a high degree of endemism, with several species found nowhere else on Earth. The coral reefs surrounding the island are teeming with life, a kaleidoscope of colors and textures. From vibrant corals to schools of fish, the underwater world is a testament to the island's pristine ecosystem. The beaches, often visited by sea turtles, are nesting grounds for these ancient mariners. The island's interior, a labyrinth of verdant foliage, is a sanctuary for a variety of bird species. The Sentinelese, as stewards of this ecological treasure trove, have played a vital role in its preservation. Their sustainable practices have ensured the delicate balance of the island's ecosystem. The island, untouched by pollution and deforestation, stands as a beacon of ecological integrity in a world grappling with environmental degradation. North Sentinel Island is a living laboratory, a testament to the power of nature to heal and regenerate. Its isolation has allowed for the evolution of unique species and the preservation of pristine habitats. The island, in its untouched beauty, is a reminder of the importance of conservation, of our responsibility to protect the planet's biodiversity.